Well, I stopped in at the body shop. Said to the guy, I want stereo FM installed in my teeth. Then take this mole off my back and put it on my cheek. And while I'm here, why don't you give me some of those high-heeled feet? And he said, listen, there's no guarantee. Nature's got rules and nature's got laws. But listen, the guy with the monkey's paw. And I said, what? He said, the gift of life, it's such a stuff fate. It's a roll of the dice. It's a free lunch, a free ride. But nature's got rules and nature's got laws. And if you cross her, look out, it's the monkey's paw. It's saying, paw. It's saying, give me 5. It's saying, bye-bye. Stop. Look around. Listen. You could be an acapella salesman going from door to door. Or would you like to swing on a star and carry moonbeams home? Or next time around, you could be a small bug. Or would you like to be a fish?
The gift of life, it's such a stuff fate. It's a roll of the dice. It's a free lunch, a free ride. The gift of life, it's a shot in the dark. It's the call of the wild. It's the big wheel, the big ride. But nature's got rules and nature's got laws.
And if you cross her, look out. It's the monkey's paw. It's singing. It's singing. Give me 5. It's singing. It's singing.